Bonafide Hustler here, and before I go thrifting tomorrow, I gotta show you some stuff that's selling today. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my garage. And yeah, we're gonna go thrifting tomorrow for sure, 100%. I wanna show you some stuff that I thrifted 4 days ago or something like that. And one of the things already sold. So before I box it up, I want to make sure I show you guys. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler and get the free guide right here. It'll teach you how to flip 50 used items and start making some money. All right, let's go look at these items, and then that way I can get one of these things boxed up. The very first item is actually this $5 Raptor 19-inch from end to end crawler body. Now, of course, if you can picture out the whole truck, that's what it looked like before. 4 screws underneath, take the body off, list that on eBay. Should sell for around 75 plus, no problem. So that was a cool find from a Savers about 3 days ago. And then we have some really neat kicks. Check this out. Yeah, infrared, the Nike Air 180s. They're pretty nice. They're from 2017, not the originals, but in good condition. You got to get some better light on these guys. Look at that, size 11. Too bad they're not size 12. I would have kept them. They're so cool. I think I paid around $17 out the door for these, and they should sell for around 80 to 100 bucks. I paid around the same for these, and these are some Salomon XA Pro 3D Gore-Tex, right? Trail running shoes, and they're in impeccable condition if you take a look at the bottom of those. So that was a Savers find, around 17 bucks. These should sell for around 70 to about 85 bucks. Something like that is what I'm thinking on these. And of course, the one that sold just now, these were around 30 bucks out the door. These are Red Wings. These are Heritage, kind of like harder to find boots. Let's see here. These are 8132s. A lot harder to find. They're about 300 bucks if you look online and if you can still find them. Sold this pair in mint condition. Check out the bottom of these guys. They're in such good condition. Sold for 190 bucks like 10 minutes ago. So this is what I got to box up. What is going out today? We have a RC truck right there. Some RC to Bucks is sitting in here. It's called an RC Aftershock. It's a monster truck, and I'm gonna weigh it and everything, but this one I think was around 8 bucks out the door, sold for 75. And then in here we have a King Ranch garment luggage bag that I found at a garage sale for 5 bucks, sold it for 75. And it's going to somewhere in Texas, so that's good because it's a pretty big box. I'm obviously gonna cut it in half. It's a pretty big box, and if it didn't go to Texas, I probably wouldn't have accepted that offer, but it's going to Texas, so it's probably what will go out for around 10 to 12 bucks. Pretty cool finds. Oh yeah, there was one last night too. So like in the middle of me just screwing around last night, I went to Facebook Marketplace and I found this bike completely disassembled, by the way, and I had to reassemble it. It's a giant Escape, should sell for around, you know, 400 to 500 bucks in COVID times. Paid $150 for that bike yesterday. They were asking $200. I caught it within like 30 minutes and had to drive 19 minutes out to go get it, 19 minutes back. And yeah, pretty sweet find right there. It's a giant Escape hybrid bike. Hybrid bikes are just all the rage right now with the whole COVID guidelines and everything. It's one of the most versatile bikes that you can buy or you can resell. But yeah, it's a very versatile bike that you should know about. So bikes to bucks, RCs to bucks, shoes to bucks, and even bags to bucks. I just showed you all that kind of stuff. I just thought about that right now. I sell what I make guides about, duh. So tomorrow I'm gonna be thrifting with a friend, which is awesome. And I'll take the camera in with me as well. All right, I'm here with my friend Jess.
Hello.
She's like one of my best friends. And yes, she is dressed up very snazzy. It's almost like it's your birthday.
It is my birthday.
Oh my gosh, it is her birthday. Check out this 50 cent, by the way, Busch Gardens thing. But yeah, she looks snazzy. We're gonna go into Texas thrift store right here and see what we can find. Is this place usually, you have to search a lot here, don't you?
I believe you do have to dig and search, but are you going to be looking for business or pleasure?
Oh man, good question. So I will be looking for things to resell, obviously, but if I'm here for any extended period of time, I start looking for myself. So we have, how many thrift stores? 2 more, 3 more? Something like that?
Yes.
All right, you're making me uncomfortable. Let's go. Let's go inside. See, your mask should be Aztec. You got a cheetah mask.
I know, I do need an Aztec. Maybe I can find it at Texas Thrift.
Look at all the way down to the bottom on this girl. Like what? You went all out.
I did.
It's almost like it's your birthday. Oh my gosh, there's so much here. So you're considering buying some of this stuff. That would look good. That looks cool.
High-waisted jeans. Another high-waisted jeans, but oh my god.
That's cool.
This is so cool, and it's leather. It feels so nice.
I like that. I'm trying to decide on this $10 vintage REI down vest. Wondering if I can get 50 to 100 for it. I'm not 100% sure, but it is definitely unique in the sense of, look how retro that thing is. Super cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see. All right, we're coming out. Wow. So this is for personal stuff, right?
This is personal fashion.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Who found you that one?
Chris found me this one. Look at this.
It's gonna look good.
It is. I might do an outfit change.
Look at that. By the way, if you want to see Jess and I thrift again, comment down below, because I'm curious. So she's more personal thrifty, and I'm trying to train her a little bit on resale thrifty, but we'll see. So if you want to see us thrift again, we're gonna have 3 more thrift stores to go today. Make sure you comment below. Hit the like button, by the way, too. All right, we're at this Goodwill. Oh, you took the hat off.
I did.
I like this Goodwill. This is a big Goodwill. You've been here a million times, right?
Oh, yes, definitely.
All right, let's go in. I got a spider jacket here for 13 bucks. It's pretty beat up, though. Lots of pilling. Not the greatest one. Pass on that. Definitely looking around to see if there's anything good here. I think Jess is changing into like one of those things she bought today. Cool. Came across this Line 6 Spider 475. 100 bucks. Interesting. And this Fender as well. These are amplifiers for guitars. More than likely it's a Mustang too. I'm gonna look this stuff up, make sure. Could be a good buy here. What have you done? That looks good.
I changed into the shirt that you just picked out for me.
That looks crazy. Wow. All right. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what I like better, this stuff or that stuff. Wow. Looks good. That's crazy how I just picked that out and it looks like this on you.
I know. I'm so
That's awesome. That looks cool. And it looks like the red matches the red.
Know.
You got some black to match the boots.
I know. And with the shades. This part, right?
Oh my gosh. Anyway. Very cool. You can put that in here if you want to. Alright, passing those amps up. Look them up real quick, not worth it. But I am going to look through the bags. Maybe we can get some bags to bucks going on here. I never know. Always got to look in the bag section. We didn't find anything at that one. We're going to go to a Savers now. I mean, just found a dressing room. But yeah, we'll find something good today, hopefully. It's a completely trashed Strider here. If this thing was in perfect condition, that would be a great price, but this is super trashed. Those can usually sell for like 40 or 50 bucks. Little kid's push bike. Nothing's wrong with them ever, except for that one. Didn't find anything at Savers, but I'm here at Goodwill. I found this Electro Townie. Super sick. 40 bucks, I'm in, 100%. That's sick. Make it look all nice. Probably can sell for like $300. This is what I wait for. This kind of thing. This truck is interesting too, but it's pretty jacked up. MT220. If it was in better condition, this would be a buy as well. But that one kind of sucks. But this one's awesome. This one right here. Yeah, I just want to see this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, we're in a Goodwill. Just found something that looks like a rectangle and it's flat. No, it's a square and it's flat. All right, so it's an LP, right?
It's a record. Yeah, record.
Okay.
Chuck Mangione, amazing musician. See him. Happy Good Feels So Good is one of his big hits.
Okay.
And this record is a gift for his mommy because he loves her so much.
Okay. Hey, that's a good synopsis. I think she read it off the back of it. I'm not sure. I was thinking about getting this candle, but I'm gonna pass on it. I was thinking it smelled kind of weird and just confirmed it. I just need some candles for my house. I've been burning candles like all the time. Interesting. So anytime you come to like shorts like this, look for the ones that are really long and just scan them because they could be mountain biking shorts, you know? And mountain biking shorts by Fox, Zoic, Troy Lee Designs, things like that are worth some good money. All right, so it was nice to find that bike. It's evening time here in Austin, Texas. We're gonna say bye to Jess. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, wish her happy birthday down below. Anyways, I'll see you guys in one bit. I'm gonna thrift a little bit more. Another Goodwill. And I already went inside, I looked around, I found these. 20 bucks out the door. These are Nike Metcon 4 Floral. This is basically a CrossFit shoe, right? Looks pretty good. They're 20 bucks out the door. They have the little bumpers on the back so you can do handstand push-ups and not scrape a wall. Anyway, these are Metcon 4 Florals. New florals go for around 100 to 119, and they're so rare pretty much that these being a 7.5, a really good women's size, they should sell for around 80 bucks. So I'm gonna pretty much hold firm on 80. Great condition. And yeah, look for Metcon 4s. There's so many colorways, but this is one of the more rare ones, so decided to pop on those. I think maybe one more Goodwill and then I'll go home or something like that. So not a bad thrift day. I didn't go out to another Goodwill, but yeah, it was a fun time. If you want to see more of Jess or more of us thrifting together, then please put a comment down below. Also, in the beginning of the video, I showed you some Nike Air Infrared 180s. Pretty cool shoe, let's face it. Those actually sold for 100 bucks. That was nice. But that's pretty much the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, put a comment down below. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.